Hi traders, welcome back to CPR Scalper, Bank Nifty and Nifty end of the week analysis. Let's see for this week 13th onwards. So how it prices behave based on the CPR levels. Okay. So if I look at this Bank Nifty chart on Monday 13th, so the CPR was narrow CPR on Monday, and narrow CPR days we discussed market tends to be a trending day, and wide CPR days market tends to be a sideways day. So because it is in it has a narrow CPR, the width of the CPR is very narrow, so it is going to be trending day. So that's the advantage of having a CPR on your chart. See how exactly it behaves, but exactly where we have to take the trade or trading days. Okay, whenever this range, previous day range, okay, the previous day was a kind of a range day. It was stuck inside this range. In fact, this range, this was the proper range. It was stuck inside. As soon as this range got broken, as well as this day low exactly took support from there. See, so these two levels break. As soon as these two levels are broken, you could have gone short on this big red candle. See, the size of the candle is a solid red candle, exactly. See, proper bearish candle. It's a highly confirmed trade. You could have gone short and put your stop loss here. You could have taken 1:2 risk reward. Okay, up to here. You could have booked your profit up to here. This is a very good trade. You got it on Monday. You could have made two times of your stop loss, two times of your risk. You would have made here 2% of your capital, I would say. So let's see on next day, Tuesday, because the previous day was a kind of trending day. Next day would be, we were expecting a very wide CPR here. So on wide CPR days, obviously market will be in a range bound day. That is what exactly happened here. Okay. So on range bound day, where to take entries? Range bound days, you can draw a range of 1 hour and you can take the trade based on that. So the 1 hour range is 10-15 candles. So this was the range. On range days, wide CPR days, you should not go on a short or long on the breakout days, breakout lines. Okay, this is a breakout. You should not believe this breakout. This could be a fake breakout because the CPR is very wide. So that's why you should have not gone short by looking at this candle. Okay, see, immediately it went here and took support at near S1 and it reversed immediately. So rather you can go long, okay, because this is the low. You would have gone long on this bullish candle, okay, because this has broken, this is a false breakout, so this has broken this range, it has come inside the range again. So you could have gone long here, you could have taken profit near the CPR, though it did not go to the CPR, but it would have given already 1:2 risk reward here. Okay, you would have booked somewhere your profit here itself, because it would have given 2 risk reward, 2 times of your capital. This is also 2 hour day. Okay, there was only one trade here, one trade here. And let's go on Thursday, Wednesday. Again, you are seeing a narrow CPR here, very narrow CPR. So you can expect a big trending day. So that is what exactly happened. Okay, see how beautifully CPR is working here. So on this day where you could have entered. Okay, so usually the trend is a bearish trend in Bank Nifty on earlier days, and it was a gap up opening. Okay, this was previous day close and there was a gap up opening. So what you should do is, on gap up days and the trend is bearish trend, you should follow the trend. So Bank Nifty will follow the trend. So you should follow, like, whenever there is a gap up, as soon as the day high broken on the downside, you could have gone short on this candle, on this red candle. 1 2 3 4 fifth candle, you could have gone short, could have kept your stop loss here, and you could have take profit here. That is one trade. And immediately day low, on the day high on the upside it has broken, and day low on the downside broken. This is also one more trade, because of the CPR is narrow, so it can be a trending day. So you could have gone short on this candle as well by taking a profit up to here. But market ended, I think, 315 here itself. It gave almost 1:1 risk reward. Okay, There are actually two trades on this day. This gave 2 hour profit and this gave 1 hour profit. Okay, 1 times of 1% of capital, 2% of capital you have gained on Thursday. Remember, there are no stop losses hit on these days if you observe it, if you have entered properly. Okay, because this entry, why we have entered here is because of the support. This was it was a resistance actually. R1 and previous day was both were acting as a resistance, but the price opened above the resistance, so it acted as a support. As soon as the support has broken, you could have gone short here. This is on support and resistance based trade. This is one trade, and anyway, this is previous day low is broken because of the narrow CPR. We can expect a trending here. So based on that logic, you could have gone short here. Okay, there were two trades on this day, one trade and one trade. Well, let's go to Thursday. Again, Thursday is CPR is wide, so wide CPR. Obviously, there will be a range bound market. Okay, we cannot expect a trending day like how we have seen on Wednesday and Monday. So on range bound day, where you should enter exactly. Okay, you can enter again, as I said, 1 hour range you can draw. So at 10:15, this was our 10:15 line. Okay, this was a low and this was a high. Okay, so see exactly on this high. This day high is broken on this candle. So you should have not gone long because of wide CPR. Wide CPR breakouts usually fail. So it exactly failed. So it has broken again here. So you could have gone short on this candle by putting your stop loss somewhere here, and you could have taken 1:2 risk reward. So 2 are on this day as well. Had this candle came here and form a bullish candle here, you could have gone long by putting stop loss here back to your CPR. But that did not happen. So only one trade we got. We took 2 hour profit. Okay. So next, coming to here, this is the average kind of CPR, and neither narrow, neither wide. So again on this day, as I mentioned, the trend is a negative trend, a bearish trend. Bearish trend, gap up opening here, and it is breaking the support R1 and previous day high. Both the supports are breaking. Mainly previous day high support is broken. So you should go immediately short on this red candle up to CPR. This is also one more trade. Okay. So these are the trades on this week. So how much percent? There was no stop loss hit on this week. In this week, so 2, almost 8, 9, right? Not 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, and 11. 11% of your capital. Okay. So no zero stop loss hit, zero loss. So 11% of your capital you made on this week. Okay. So that's all about this week analysis in Bank Nifty. Let's see in the next week. We'll see next week Nifty. Okay. 1 week, 1 index we'll see. Okay. Thanks. Bye. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for this end of the week analysis, and follow me on Twitter, CPR Scalper, as well as this is my Twitter handle. You can follow me on Telegram also for daily updates. I'll be posting in Telegram daily updates before the market opens. Okay, Telegram ID also, I think this one, CPR Scalper only. I'll show you the link. I would have posted here. Yeah.